welcome back. I'm Chris Singer, this is Sophia Fideo, and we are with Roatan Life Real Estate, and we are over at the beautiful West Bay Villas and Golf.
So Chris, this is MLS 20-232. These villas are just under 2,400 square feet. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and we're listed here at $375,000 USD.
Wonderful. So we are in the heart of West Bay, right?
We're in the heart of West Bay. This is a new development called the West Bay Golf and Villas, and it sits on the Black Iguana golf course. So
very nice. So this is the new 9-hole par 3 that everyone's talking about.
That's what everybody's talking about, and it's quite beautiful out there.
It is. We've already taken a little tour out there. We did a little hitting and taking in the views, but now we're in the beautiful villa, and we should take a peek around.
We should. So this is a great open concept living space. We've got indoor and outdoor living. One thing I want to mention is these villas are being sold with appliances, but without furnishings.
Oh, great. But you could pick your own furnishings here in town, or they do offer a Pro-Amy package, right?
They do offer a Pro-Amy package. So this is all Pro-Amy furniture. It's great Honduran-made furniture, and I love the style. They've got different styles to meet different people's tastes, so it lets you put your own personal touch on things.
Really nice. And if you decide, there's multiple units for sale. They've got some pre-construction, they've got some that are gray or partially completed?
Yeah, so we've got some near completed units. We've got 2 of those currently listed, and then we've got some pre-construction villas.
So this is the model home. Sorry guys.
This one's already gone, but this is the model home, and so we'll take you guys a tour through this unit, and you'll get to see what is available once it's completed.
Really great. So you do have a couple of things we should talk about. The HOA is about $2,400 a year?
Yes, so HOA here is going to include 24-hour security. They've got paved roads throughout the complex, underground utilities, access to water, and then you're also going to have that wonderful country club on site with a pool and a restaurant, and that's going to be open to the public. So you're going to have people that are going to come in, have dinner, swim, have some drinks, play golf, and then they go home, and then you get to come to your wonderful villa.
Really nice. So you can live here full time, or you can get a property manager and do rentals.
Exactly. So 3 great options. You can live here full time, you can do short-term or long-term rentals.
Really nice. And again, we're just about a minute or so to the West Bay Mall, where there's some restaurants, some shopping, and then we're surrounded by all the great resorts with all of their on-site restaurants.
Exactly, and then you've got the beach, right? So then there's beach restaurants, there's beach bars, there's nightlife, there's dive shops, there's shopping. So you really are close to everything here.
Really great. Well, should we talk about this beautiful unit?
Yes, so if you look up, you've got some really high ceilings here, 12 to 15 feet depending on the location.
And you have central air, which is really nice, and it's per floor, which is great.
Right, so you've got 2 different commanding posts to keep it cool in the different sections.
So you're still being efficient, which is great.
Right, absolutely. And then you've got this outdoor living space that's right here.
Look at that. It's beautiful out here.
So more great Pro-Amy furniture, and you're just steps away from the first hole.
Really fun. How great. And of course, you've got the great outdoors coming right on in.
Exactly, and it's a live-in outdoor space. It's a quiet, tranquil community. You do have a neighbor right next door, but there's enough privacy you would never even know.
Because this is all cement construction, so you're never going to hear anything.
Right, cement construction, and these are duplexes, so you do have a neighbor, and you're going to have neighbors on the other side, but small, close-knit community.
Very nice. And again, the grounds are going to be maintained by the developer or the HOA, right?
Absolutely, yes.
Fantastic.
So you just come in,
maintenance living, really.
You move in, and you stay. You don't have to do any of the hard work.
Thank goodness for that. Well, this is really nice open living. You've got your living area, it goes right into your dining, and then your really nice kitchen. And it's really designed for entertaining.
It is. It's a great space. You've got some very nice imported appliances. Lots of space. You've got a regular sink. You've got your bar seat. You've got a dishwasher. And so everything is all set for you to come on in, entertain. You can cook meals. You can bring food in. Lots of options.
And this is hardwood, yes?
Honduran hardwood, yeah, all the cabinets are included in their Honduran hardwood.
And if you didn't want white, you could maybe pick a different finish?
Yes, so they've got a mahogany option, and that's an upsell.
Nice. And then back here you've got your lock off if you want, and of course this would be your laundry room and some storage.
Exactly. So this is locked off so that when you're not here, you can keep all your personal belongings in here and rent out the rest of the space.
And it looks like, again, it's
A stackable washer and dryer.
yes, on-demand water heater.
There's also an on-demand water heater. And here you have a fantastic outdoor living dining space. Ooh, it's long.
Oh, that's great. It's really spacious. I mean, you can definitely have some friends over. There's plenty of space.
Great for entertaining because you're going to be making so many new friends here in West Bay.
That's true. Definitely. Really great.
And landscaping between the units, everything's tastefully done with a tropical feel without being too jungle-like.
Yeah, really great. I like it. Should we take a look upstairs at those bedrooms?
Yes, absolutely. But before we do, there's a half bath right here for your guests so they don't have to go upstairs. And it's tastefully done.
Nice size. And this is actually the front entry.
This is the front entry, yes.
I really like how they've put the floor-to-ceiling windows, and you've got some frosted glass, so you get the light without losing your privacy.
Exactly. So let's go on upstairs. And I love these hardwood floors that touch.
And again, such high ceilings with...
So here we are in the guest bedroom. What a great use of space.
Oh, really, it's beautiful. There's plenty of space for a king-size bed if you wanted. A little seating area over there. And of course, look at that patio.
Isn't it great? That is a very large patio for your guests.
Huge, actually.
And once again, you're overlooking the green, so you've got wonderful views.
Oh, yes. And as we were looking earlier, we noticed that some of those pre-construction and some of those partially completed have ocean views.
That's true, yes.
So you'd really enjoy that off the balcony. Or you can just escape your friends and family out here.
So another great feature of this unit is that they've got built-in closets.
Oh, that is really nice.
So once again, this is with the Honduran hardwood.
A great use of space, really great.
And these could be upgraded if you wanted with the mahogany wood. But they're a great use of space. If you wanted to lock some of these off for owner's lock off, you could totally do that because there's enough space for any renters to use while they're here.
Bathroom, take a look at beautiful tiling, really spacious, and lots of natural light.
Frosted glass again, giving you that little extra privacy there. And now I'm going to take you to the master, and let me tell you, this is something really special. So here we are in the bathroom, dressing, and closet area.
This is beautiful. You got a nice big skylight, lots of natural lighting for if you wanted to do some makeup. But again, with these built-ins, it's just absolutely stunning. Really, a lot of space.
A lot of space, great
durable
drawers. Great Honduran hardwood, and then you've got a shower up.
Right, and the frosted glass, it gives you all the privacy you need and lots of space. It's really beautiful.
So this would be great for a couple. You know, you've got your own spaces that you can both get ready in the same space without being on top of each other.
Right, you don't have to be blamed for being late.
And then here we are in the master bedroom.
Wow, look at the view.
Isn't it a great view? A great view of the green.
It's beautiful. I mean, a really large living area. You could put some really nice seating out here and you would never even have to leave upstairs.
Feel that Caribbean breeze. It is just wonderful. Steps away from the green. So you really do have great indoor-outdoor living space and lots of amenities here that you can do.
You know, it's great because you could really sit out here and enjoy watching people play and also seeing your neighbors, maybe getting social and having some sunset drinks and things of that nature.
this would be a great coffee place as well. Like first thing in the morning, you come out here, you have your cup of coffee, you're quiet, read a little bit maybe, and then you can go out and
Enjoy the
interact, socialize. There's lots of options. So here in West Bay, once again, like we were saying, there's great restaurants, diving, shopping. So there's lots of ways to meet and connect with people. There's a lot of full-time expats that live here. There's a lot of half-year vacationers. So there's a good field down here.
So I really think this would be a really nice area for somebody that wants to stay maybe winter down here, and then they could rent their place out the rest of the year.
Exactly.
location.
There's such great options here. And once again, wonderful pro-amy furniture.
It's been really, really well decorated, but anyone can add their own finishes and their own touches, of course.
Absolutely.
But look how big this space is. I mean, there's entertainment space, there's the big king-size bed, and again, you've got those big 12-foot ceilings and maybe vaulted up to 15. It's really nice. They've done a great job. And you've got nice porcelain tile, very durable, especially for rentals or any kind of weathering here. It's really great.
And so much natural light.
Beautiful.
And so, once again, we were talking about the golf membership.
Oh, yes, of course. So, you know, it's really quite fun. My boyfriend's played here a couple times. They really enjoy coming because you don't need the whole day. You don't have to drive across the island. You don't have to play a big course. It's fun, and you could come over after work or before work and get it done.
So, nine hole course.
9-hole course.
9-hole course. Oh,
Par
look
3.
at me. I still have so much to learn on this golf stuff.
It's fun.
And it's $100 a month for membership. And then you can play as much as you want. It's unlimited.
Oh, that's great. That's really fantastic. Well, guys, we covered everything?
I think we've covered everything. Thank you so much for joining us today at MLS 20-232 here in the West Bay Golf and Villas. This unit is listed at, well, not this unit, but a similar unit is listed at $375,000 USD.
Really great. And again, owner financing is available, which makes it a really easy buying option. And of course, there's plenty of build sites to go, as well as some
near completed
units. So guys, hope you enjoyed. See you soon.
See you soon. Bye.